Forgotten for over a decade. Top to bottom engine rebuild. But will it start? This engine was rebuilt to the last bolt and washer, all covered in the previous episodes. Therefore, the first start attempt was pretty suspenseful. It's time to fire it up. Let's see. No leaks so far. The battery is in very poor shape, so oil pressure is okay. Here is the tachometer, air supply, fumes extractor, carb synchronization device. The initial synchronization and tuning went perfectly. Crisp throttle response and stable idling. With the carbs synchronized, I moved on to tasks that would bring the GS closer to being road ready. Kerosene, perfect for cleaning all drive chains and O-ring safe. High viscosity gear oil, the best thing you can use here, and it's cheap. This spring was missing, so we'll have the disengagement. We'll re-thread the thread because it looks like two in the other directions, so there we go. A fresh thread. This is a cushion for mirrors. I love the idea. So I bought them original, super expensive. I found new mirrors. Original has a tiny bit narrower frame here, but apart from that, looks exactly like original. The chrome is very high quality. Let's put them on. The soft mount, very nice. Watch the full build here.